Module 8, Managing Operations and Business Processes. Module overview operations are the heartbeat of every business. Whether you are running a small boutique, a catering service, a shoemaking workshop, or an online retail store, the effectiveness of your operations determines your ability to satisfy customers, remain competitive, and sustain profitability. In this module, we will take a deep dive into operations management and business processes, examining how entrepreneurs can design, manage, and optimize the day-to-day activities of their small businesses for maximum efficiency and growth. First, Introduction to Operations in Small Businesses. Operations management is the discipline of organizing, planning, and supervising the production of goods or services. In a small business, operations might involve fewer people and resources than in large corporations, but the principles remain the same: efficiency, productivity, and value creation. Definition: operations are the coordinated activities that transform inputs, raw materials, knowledge, labor, technology, capital, into outputs, products, and services. Why it matters: poor operations management leads to wasted resources, delays, customer dissatisfaction, and financial loss. Strong operations lead to smooth workflows, quality output, and competitive advantage. For example, a fashion entrepreneur must manage fabric procurement, tailoring schedules, and customer orders. A restaurant owner must manage ingredient supplies, staff duties, and customer service. Second, key elements of operations management in small business. A. Production and service delivery, deciding how products will be produced or how services will be delivered, streamlining workflows to reduce delays and ensure timely delivery, standardizing quality to build a consistent brand reputation. B. Supply chain and inventory management, choosing suppliers who deliver on time and at reasonable cost, maintaining just enough inventory to meet demand without overstocking, tracking stock movement to avoid losses from theft or waste. C. Workforce and task management, assigning tasks clearly to avoid confusion, ensuring team members have the tools and skills to perform, building accountability systems to track performance. D. Technology and operations, using point-of-sale systems, accounting software, and automation tools, leveraging e-commerce platforms for digital operations, implementing customer management systems to track interactions and preferences. E. Process standardization, documenting step-by-step procedures for repetitive tasks, training employees to follow standard operating procedures, SOPs, ensuring consistency regardless of who is handling the task. 3. Business process. Design and optimization operations are sustained through business processes, the structured set of activities that produce results. Small businesses must intentionally design and continuously improve these processes. Steps in business process design: identify processes, list the core and support processes, sales, production, delivery, finance, HR, etc. Map the workflow, break down tasks into sequences, and identify dependencies. Assign responsibility, clearly state who does what. Measure performance, define metrics like turnaround time, cost efficiency, or customer satisfaction. Refine and improve, eliminate bottlenecks and redundancies. Continuous improvement approaches. Lean thinking, eliminate waste in processes. Kaizen, encourage small daily improvements by employees. Six Sigma, use data to minimize errors and improve quality. Agility, stay flexible and adaptable in the face of change. 4. Quality management in small business operations. Quality is not just about the end product. It is about the processes, systems, and culture that ensure customers get value every time. Quality control, QC, inspecting outputs to detect defects. Quality assurance, QA, designing systems that prevent errors from happening. Customer-centric quality, incorporating customer feedback into service improvements. Standards and certifications. Some small businesses pursue ISO, NAFDAC, SONCAP, or industry-specific certifications to boost credibility. 5. Challenges of managing operations in small businesses: limited resources, funds, tools, staff, lack of formal systems or processes, overdependence on the owner, resistance to adopting technology, difficulty balancing efficiency with creativity, especially in artisan or craft businesses. 6. Practical strategies for small business operations success document and simplify workflows. Use affordable digital tools, e.g., Google Workspace, QuickBooks, inventory apps. Train staff continuously on best practices. Build strong supplier relationships. Regularly review operations to adapt to changing customer demands. Focus on scalability. Design processes that can grow with the business. Summary of Module 8. Operations and business processes are the backbone of every enterprise. By properly managing production, inventory, workflows, staff, and technology, small businesses can create sustainable systems that deliver value consistently. Efficiency, quality, and adaptability are the hallmarks of successful operations management.